Buying Vbucks with Google Play gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Vbucks using the Google Play gift card. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm a Google, and if you want to buy the Vbucks directly from the Android, you simply won't be able to use it using the Google Play gift card, just because you don't download Fortnite directly from Google Play Store. In order to download, you have to download it either from Galaxy Store or somewhere else. So which means you simply won't be able to access the Google Play funds. However, you can, simply flip those Google Play gift card codes to buy, the V-Bucks. So how can you do that? In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google, and I'm just going to search for Raise Marketplace. And Raise Marketplace is a place where you will be able to, sell your gift card. Currently, as you guys can see, this website is not being accessed to me. I don't know why it is showing me some sort of error. There are also websites like G2A as well, which you can, simply sell your digital codes for your Google Play gift card, and afterwards they will give you some money in your PayPal and stuff, which you can easily use to buy V-Bucks. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.